In this video, I'm going to show you how to change server on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features such as an amazing wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker, a great P&L tracker, and a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals on here, use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can set your own presets and adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use their amazing filters, etc. And all of this is for free. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually change the server on Axiom, of course, many servers are available, and then you have to adjust it according to your own location. Simply, whenever you are inside Axiom and on whichever tab you are, you want to go down here to the bottom right where something will say next to your connection is stable. So if it doesn't say connection is stable, it's going to say something else, but of course you want to make it green where your connection is stable. And to do this, click on the right over here where you can see a bunch of different servers. Now make sure you select the one which is the nearest to you, and then sometimes what this will do is, of course, it will require you to do this for a few times, and if it says like poor connection or unstable or disconnected, whatever, you can just change to a different server. So for me it's going to be the US C over here, or the EU C. However, for you it may be a different one. Of course, it's up to you which one you select, and then you can just start using that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.